Hey there, folks. Welcome back to another episode of Mystery Encounters. Today, we've got something truly bizarre to show you. Take a look at this thing. It's like something straight out of a horror movie, right? But believe it or not, this creepy creature was found in Broome, Western Australia. It's called the striped anemone. Now, before you start panicking about extraterrestrial invasions, let's clarify, this thing is very much from our own planet. But don't let that reassure you too much, because it's seriously dangerous. Those tentacles? They can inflict painful stings that take months to heal. Ouch! This striped anemone is no tiny sea creature either. It can grow up to 20 centimeters in diameter with tentacles stretching a whopping 50 centimeters long. And trust me, it's not a sight you want to stumble upon during a beach stroll. But here's where it gets even weirder. Biologists in Scotland stumbled upon a similar creature squirming through the mud in Glasgow. It seemed to wither away once out of the mud, almost like it needed to stay wet to survive. Talk about a mystery! Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content like this. Your support means the world to us. Let's discuss the intriguing world of Huntsman spiders. Despite their formidable size and appearance, these arachnids are surprisingly harmless. Widely distributed across Australia, they play a beneficial role by keeping insect populations in check, particularly cockroaches, without resorting to venomous bites. So, while encountering one of these eight-legged critters might give you a startle, rest assured they're just doing their part in maintaining the ecological balance. Whether you find them fascinating or frightening, Huntsman spiders are a unique part of our natural world, showcasing the diversity of life on Earth. Let's unravel the mystery of this deep-sea creature, suspected to be a big-fin squid. Captured by an oil company in the Gulf of Mexico in 2007, this elusive species is rarely seen by human eyes. With tentacles estimated to be 10 to 15 times the length of its body, these squids are true masters of avoiding detection. Imagine encountering one of these colossal creatures, measuring up to 26 feet in length. They're a force to be reckoned with. As we ponder the mysteries of the deep, let's remember there's still so much left to discover beneath the waves. Get ready for a spine-chilling encounter with the snaggletooth snake eel, also known as the Aplytappus oro. This terrifying creature lurks in the depths of the eastern central Pacific Ocean, reaching up to 3 feet 4 inches in length. So, if you ever find yourself swimming in the Pacific, just remember, there could be something straight out of your worst nightmares lurking beneath the surface. Get ready for the lobster moth caterpillar, a bizarre creature resembling a crustacean, first observed by Carl Linnaeus in 1758. With a wingspan of 40 to 70 millimeters, the adult sports green-brown wings, but it's the caterpillar stage that steals the show, mimicking ants or spiders with long legs. As it matures, it takes on a bizarre appearance, but fear not, it's just a leaf muncher. So, next time you spot one, marvel at its quirky charm. It's just trying to navigate this weird world like the rest of us. Alright, folks, buckle up for a slimy encounter with the African giant snail, and when we say giant, we mean huge. This creature, measuring approximately 8 inches long, is practically the size of a fully grown human hand. Now, 8 inches might not sound like much, but in the world of snails, it's downright terrifying. But here's the kicker, despite its name, the African giant snail isn't picky about its habitat. You'll find it wreaking havoc in numerous places, especially around crops where it's considered a major pest. And with its voracious appetite and rapid reproduction rate, it's earned a spot among the world's top 10 invasive species. Trust me, you don't want these slimy critters as neighbors. So, if you ever stumble upon an African giant snail, remember to keep your distance. Well, strap in, folks, because we're about to embark on a journey into the world of salamanders, and it's nothing like you've ever imagined. Forget about those small, lizard-like creatures you might be picturing. Salamanders are amphibians, not reptiles, and they're more like a bizarre cross between a lizard and a frog. Now, most salamanders are pretty modest in size, measuring around 6 inches long, with some even smaller. But hold on to your seats, because there's one salamander that breaks all the rules, the Chinese giant salamander. This colossal beast reaches a staggering 6 feet in length. That's right, picture a salamander taller than your best friend or neighbor. It's the stuff of nightmares. Found in rocky mountain streams and lakes in China, the Chinese giant salamander is a true marvel of nature. But sadly, it's also critically endangered thanks to habitat loss, pollution, and overcollection. And if that's not bad enough, it's considered a delicacy and used in traditional Chinese medicine. So, while these giants may be terrifying in size, encountering one in the wild is about as likely as winning the lottery. Get ready for a spine-chilling encounter with the Japanese spider crab. While you might associate crabs with beachside feasts, this monstrous creature is anything but ordinary. Weighing a staggering 42 pounds and stretching an astonishing 18 feet from claw to claw, it's enough to make your blood run cold, even on a sunny day. Despite its intimidating size, reports suggest the Japanese spider crab has a surprisingly gentle disposition. But despite conservation efforts, it's still hunted as a delicacy in Japan, threatening its population. Let's appreciate these colossal creatures from a safe distance and support efforts to protect their existence in the wild, preserving our planet's biodiversity for generations to come. Get ready for a dive into the world of colossal amphibians with the Goliath frog, also known as the giant frog. Unlike your typical frogs, these giants can grow over a foot long, making encounters with them quite surprising. Found mainly in Cameroon and other parts of Africa, Goliath frogs aren't exactly model parents either. After laying their eggs, they simply vanish, leaving the tadpoles to fend for themselves. So, while they may not be the stuff of nightmares, their immense size and unexpected appearances are sure to make you do a double take. But hey, they're just trying to navigate their way through the world, one giant leap at a time. Terrific, indeed! It seems we've stumbled upon a menagerie of terrifyingly massive animals. Now, it's up to you, dear viewers, to decide which of these colossal creatures deserves the coveted #1 spot. Let's do a quick recap of our candidates. Big Jake, the world's biggest horse, towering at an official 6 feet 10 and 3/4 inches tall and weighing a jaw-dropping 2,600 pounds. Despite his immense size, he's unexpectedly good with people and has quite the fan base. Hercules the liger, the largest surviving cat in the world, measuring over 11 feet long and weighing a hefty 922 pounds. A liger, born from the union of a female tiger and a male lion, is a sociable beast as far as wild cats go. Blossom the cow, the Guinness World Record holder for the tallest cow, standing at an amazing 6 feet 4 inches tall and weighing over 2,000 pounds. Blossom became famous for her unique size and served as the farm's official greeter. Big Bill the pig, history's largest ever pig, weighing a whopping 2,552 pounds and standing 5 feet tall and 9 feet long. Big Bill was a legend in his own right, hailing from Jackson, Tennessee, and even had a monument erected in his honor. So, there you have it, for colossal contenders vying for the top spot. Head down to the comment section and let us know which of these behemoths you think deserves to be crowned the ultimate #1 terrifyingly huge animal.